In this video we will learn how to write the hiragana character Ho. Ho is 4 strokes. The first stroke begins with the brush pointed up and to the left, coming down, making a slight curve out to the left, and then back in to the right. Move into the second stroke, which is a curved line curving upwards, and the third stroke is a line curving down. The last stroke is a line that comes down the middle and then ends in a triangle shape that makes a loop that comes around and ends the character. Make sure that the bottom of the character is level.